My name is Uli Bayerlein. I'm from the Audi design team from Ingolstadt, and I want to introduce you the idea of the Concept C. Let's talk about our new design philosophy. We built up our new generation of Audi design on 4 principles. It's clear, technical, intelligent, and emotional.
Yeah, welcome. My name is Tobias Höss. I am leading the exterior design team of Audi. And today we are here in Milan to show you our newest concept, the Audi Concept C. So for us, the Concept C is not only a show car, it's manifesto of our new design philosophy, which has the 4 pillars, technical and clarity as a main kind of pillar, and then the intelligence, and for sure we want to be always emotional with our new designs for the future. And for our new design direction, the front plays the biggest role actually, because it defines the new identity for Audi. And a center of this is the vertical element that we call vertical frame, which first glance has the task to create the character of the car, and second, it stages the rings that we have also treated in a very special way. You see here it's real material, so aluminum milled rings that have this really fine treatment of brushed and polished to really enhance the quality and also the sophistication of our future models. So another really distinctive element on the front is our new light design that you see here. First of all, graphically it's treated very geometrical, so you see parallel and vertical lines. And then we have this new design of our day running light with these 4 dots that we find really distinctive and also creating the character. And then, and this is special on that car, we have the function on demand, that at night when you need the modules for the function, they kind of switch on and again create this 4-dot graphic that makes the Audis then recognizable and very distinctive also at night. So the back of the Concept C is really my favorite perspective actually, because it really shows the emotion that's in this car. It shows you the width, it shows you this kind of very emotional treatment of the surfaces, and at the same time you will see, same as in the front, these very geometric details like the shut lines, the verticality of the shut lines, this nice kind of full rear that's fully closed, and then as a highlight again staging the rings with this really nice treatment, real metal, brushed and polished on the side. So for us, really enhancing the quality and sophistication of the whole car. So the side for the Concept C really expresses best, I would say, the headline of clarity that we have as a focus for our new design strategy. The car couldn't be more clear than this. It just has one line that's really crisp, front to back, expresses the technicality, so we pay a lot of attention to every detail, especially in the quality of the car, and yet it kind of combines this technicality with the emotion of the surfaces. So you see these really stretched surfaces that express the modernity of our kind of modulation. And as a highlight, we still kind of emphasize the stance of the car, so all 4 wheels are really pronounced. And talking about wheels, I can also talk about especially the wheel design. What we show here is this very iconic 6-spoke configuration in our wheels that is kind of a really trademark, iconic configuration for Audi. It was famous in the past, and we try to reinterpret it with this really nice kind of 6-spoke wheel that we show you here on the Concept C.
Let's talk about the interior. First you could feel is the clarity. So we really cleaned up the interior. Every line followed a grid. The vertical element gives the door handle with the release of the door. The whole dashboard is built up in simple volumes, straight lines to get this clarity. But with this clarity, you need one thing really essential, the precision, the technical execution. Clarity is nothing without precision. And you see here on the steering wheel, really, these mechanical elements you know from high-end cameras or watches. Here, something comes really important, the Audi click is back. So you get really feedback if you move it and you have this mechanical feedback. To get this clarity in the interior, we used really the intelligence. And one principle is information on demand. So we cleaned up really the interior, so information is there when needed. So we get the information, it comes up, and you have all the digital content. But for clarity, of course, if you don't need this information, you could put it away and you get back on focus on the driver orientation. The most important line in this car is the street, the cockpit, the steering wheel, and the driver. And we really created an emotional highlight with this slightly movement, but focus really on this axis. For this clarity, of course, we think also in the senseful usability. And for this, we have here really storage on demand with a semi-transparent look. So you see what you have in there, but it's really simple and clear. And overall, all our design values from this clarity, this technicality, and the intelligence, should end up with really emotional experience in the car.